I have a breaking news. AI is arriving in the industry. AI is arriving in the shop floor. At Belden, we are making it practical, accessible, and secure. One use case I would like to share with you is the application we have been developing with Accenture and NVIDIA around AI-driven safety into the shop floor. What is the impact for the customer is to reduce the number of incidents within the plant and making the plant a smarter place to live. At the end, the employees are taking benefit of it. A second application I would like to share with you is our digital coworker. What is a digital coworker? It's an AI-powered assistant which is helping to optimize and adapt the network depending on a changing environment. So along with our leading ecosystem partner, Belden is helping to make a smarter and safer plant thanks to the arrival of AI.